Hello children, how are you? Very good morning. Hope all are well. This is Amita. Today's topic, what happens to the mouth? Inside the mouth. What happens to the food? What happens to the food? Okay. This is a series of human digestive system. So here we will, in previous video already discuss about how can draw human digestive system and discuss very little bit description in each part. Here we will discuss about what happens to the food and inside the mouth. This topic taken from class 10 CBSE pattern and series of human digestive system. So let's start without any wasting time. Inside the mouth. Inside the mouth, what happened the food? Okay, what happened the food? When we take a food, our sharp and sharp biting teeth in front of. When we take food, our sharp biting teeth present in front of and cut it. Okay, food cut it by this teeth in front of present of our mouth. This is a incisor. Okay, and just behind present in teeth, this food grind it when we eat. Okay, so while the flat grinding teeth at the back grinding, a digestive juices called saliva. Salivary gland present in our mouth, and this salivary gland secreted saliva. Okay, this saliva makes a food very soft. And mix with the food, and it converts starch into sugar. The saliva converts starch into sugar. Starch is present in our food when we take food our mouth. Okay, hence the food tastes sweet. When starch convert into sugar, behalf of saliva secreted by salivary gland, then hence I feel food is very sweet because starch is converted into sugar. Okay, starch is converted into sugar. So hence the food tastes sweet from the mouth, and food goes into the stomach, and then food goes into the stomach by our food pipe. We can say other words, esophagus. Okay, so next video I will discuss really next point, esophagus. Here we will discuss about only what happens to the food inside the mouth. Firstly draw here set of teeth. Okay, you can see on your screen, this is a incisor. This is an incisor. You can see on your screen very clearly diagram showing here. This is an incisor, and here this is a canine, incisor, and behind this present teeth, canine, and just behind this is the incisor, canine, and premolar. This is a premolar. Okay, so level this. This is a incisor. Okay, 4 teeth in front, incisor. This is a canine. Okay? And here this is a premolar. You can see on your screen, this is a premolar. Okay? Canine, this is a premolar. Okay? This is a premolar. So here, this is a premolar. Label this. Premolar. Okay? Yeah. This is a premolar. Okay, this is a incisor, this is a canine and premolar. Okay, and then molars. Okay, here. This is a molar. This is a molar. Okay. So each jaw, here 16 teeth, both jaw are present 32 teeth. When the here only discuss about this diagram and very explainable discussion will be about next video. Okay. We will come next video about teeth. Okay, so this is a set of teeth. A set of teeth. Okay? Yeah. So let's start inside the mouth. When we take food, our sharp biting teeth when we take food, our sharp biting teeth in front, cut it. This is a sharp biting teeth in front our teeth. This is a incisor and the food cut by these teeth. Okay. So when we take food, in our sharp biting teeth, cut it. Okay? Cut it. Underline this. Sharp biting teeth, cut it. Okay? And while our flat grinding teeth at the back grind it, and while our flat biting teeth just behind incisor, the flat biting teeth present in our mouth, just behind incisor in our mouth, the flat teeth present in our mouth, the again food grind it by these teeth. Okay, flat teeth. So while our flat grinding flat grinding teeth at the back, grind it. At the back, grind it. Okay? A digestive juice called saliva present in our mouth. A digestive juice called saliva. Underline this. Saliva present in our mouth. The digestive juice, saliva present in our mouth. This is a very clear fully description here. Is what happened the food inside our mouth. Okay, this is a series of human digestive system. Series of human digestive system. So saliva mixed with this food, saliva and saliva mixed with the food. Saliva mixed with the food. It converts starch into sugar. It converts starch into sugar. Okay? Underline this. Starch into sugar. Hence the food tastes sweet. Hence the food tastes sweet from the mouth, and the food goes into the stomach through the food pipe. Hence the food I can feel sweet, because why saliva change starch into sugar. Hence the we feel food sweet. Hence the food tastes sweet. Here this is a erase here. Hence the food tastes sweet. Okay, hence the food taste is sweet from the mouth, and mix the food. The food goes into the stomach through food pipe, and food goes into the stomach through food pipe, and food goes into the stomach through food pipe. Okay? Hence the food tastes sweet, and food goes into the stomach through food pipe. So this is a very little bit description inside our mouth. And here draw again anatomy of mouth. This is a anatomy of mouth. Inside the in anatomy of mouth we will discuss about next video. Here only discuss about what happens to the food inside our mouth. So let's revise. When we eat food and our food goes into in our mouth, and here in our mouth salivary gland present, and saliva secreted by salivary gland and mixed with this food. Firstly, our infront biting teeth present in our mouth in position in front, and first these food cut it by these teeth, and then again after the teeth grinding teeth behind present in these teeth, and then food grind it. And then saliva mix with this food, and saliva main function is starch convert into sugar. Okay, slightly gland secreted by saliva, and saliva change into starch into sugar. Hence the food we can feel sweet and in taste. Okay, sweet in taste and very feel sweet. Okay, because starch change into sugar. Okay, then after this the food goes into the stomach through food pipe. So this is a very little bit description here. A set of teeth. This is in front teeth. This is a biting teeth called incisor, and behind this present canine teeth. This is a grinding teeth, and then premolar, and then behind situated in molars. Okay, this is 16 teeth each jaw present here, 32 teeth present in our mouth, included wisdom teeth. Okay, so we will end this video here, and I will request to all, please subscribe, like and more, share and press hit button for upcoming notification. Thank you. God bless. Take care.